In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Translate to translate a text message on your phone. I'm using an Android phone, so my default text messaging app is Google Messages. Tap on this to open your texts and go into a text message that you want to translate into a different language. As you can see at the minute, this particular text is in English. We are going to use a feature of Google Assistant to view and translate the selected text in this message. Long press on the line at the bottom of your screen. Just a side note, this is how I activate Google Assistant on my phone. Your phone may differ in this action. When Google Assistant shows up, you will notice to the bottom of the right of the screen a translate option. Select on this. Now you can select which desired language you would like this text message translated to. As you can see, this automatically changes the SMS to the desired language output. This is a cool way of translating your text messages almost directly from the app. And that's basically it.